Hey guys, it is Bradley back with the very end of my SS Brewtech grain mill saga. Just a quick recap. This is my second mill here. First one's in the box down there. That second mill's going in this box. Both of them are being sent back to SS Brewtech at SS Brewtech's expense. Initially, I was really happy when I got the mill, of course, right? It's great, or supposed to be great. Essentially, the rollers aren't parallel. There's no way to get them to manually adjust it. The first mill was worse, the second one is better, but to me, $856 was my out-the-door price delivered to my house is too much. There are a couple of issues with the adjustment slider on the side of the unit, and that will actually, it has some play in it, kind of twists that accentuates or somewhat minimizes the issue with the rollers not being quite so parallel. And after kind of figuring that out and having the mill a little more apart because I knew it was going back, I've determined that I don't know how long it's going to last. And the grain crush still isn't what I want. It's still not the level I need. Truthfully, I think my old $150 mill is more predictable. It definitely doesn't mill as much grain. It doesn't hold as much. It's not as fast. So I'm really disappointed. I'm also very disappointed initially the way SS Brewtech treated me, how long it took them to respond, the time in between responses. They were very dismissive of my issue. I had to make 2 videos to get anywhere. And eventually it was all handled. Everything has been settled amicably and I'm moving on. I really hope that they are able to fix the design or make it so everything can be user adjusted if needed. That way these products will last. I'd originally hoped that they would last me, or the mill would last me, forever, or until something better came along, something shinier came out, and then I would call it end of life and sell it, or donate it, or give it away. I don't know, but that's just not a reality. So my advice is really proceed with caution. If you are brewing in a single vessel system, I would really be lean on the side of caution. I wouldn't trust it. If you guys are in a more traditional system or brew in a bag, if you're just brewing in a bag, I think you're way overkill and wouldn't touch it at all. Because in a bag, you can pretty much put anything, I believe. If you're using an ice chest or a standard mash tun, I'm thinking it would be a lot better for that, but it should be great for everybody. And it's simply not. So thanks everyone for watching. Thank you everyone that has subscribed lately. I know this isn't my usual Brew Tools content, but it is brewing. So actually there's one more thing. There's a YouTube channel, 8 Pie Brewing. He has a B80 Pro. He has the steam condenser. You guys go check out his videos if you want to see a steam condenser in operation. As of now, I don't have any plans to get one. So one last time, thank you so much. Remember, home brewing is good.